Hi there, it's Liz. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the iPad apps for Google Drive and the Google apps. So on iPad, as opposed to Chromebooks and the website where it's all web-based, iPad has individual apps for each component. And these apps have improved dramatically over the last 2 years, so they continue adding features. It's not going to have every feature that the desktop version has, but they keep adding. So if there's something you're missing, hang in there and it might be found later. Anyways, the Drive app is going to be your main file storage. So I'm going to open that and show you all your files are in here. If I had any slide presentations, Google Sheets, this is going to have all the files that you have on the website or on your PC or laptop. Just in the Drive. I'm going to tap Got It to get rid of that. To create a new file, I go to the plus sign on the bottom, and it'll let me choose. These are the same options that I have on the website. I can make a new folder, a new Google Doc, a sheet, or a slide. Now it's important to remember, if I want to make a new doc, watch what happens when I tap on Google Docs. It's going to go into the Doc app and open that new doc. If I don't have the Docs app, it's not going to be able to do that. Additionally, if I'm ever opening a Google Doc, like someone's shared with me, maybe I'm in a meeting and someone shares a document, and I have Drive, if I go into that document but I don't have the Docs app, it's not going to let me edit it. It will open it kind of like a PDF. All right, I'm going to cancel this. So my recommendation is, let me come back to my desktop screen there. My recommendation is to download at least these first four. Make sure that you have Drive, Docs, Slides, and Sheets so that you're not limited in opening files and being able to edit them. Now I'm going to come back. I'm double tapping on the home screen to get back to the app switcher. I want to show you quickly the menus, and they're the same in all of the apps. When I go to this 3 line in the top right, it brings up this side menu. Recent, shared with me, starred, those kinds of things. If you notice, there are also those little circles with the picture of me and the apples. Those are for my different accounts. So I'm signed in here on more than one Google account. If I tap on this arrow, it's going to show all of them and I can select the account that I want to show. All right. On the right side, I can sort A to Z. This little look, hang on. This icon right here will change the way I see the documents by list or by picture. Sometimes it's helpful for me to see it by image because I know, oh, it's that light blue one with the green table. I remember making that. That kind of helps me. I can also tap on this folder and I can see all the folders that I have in the Drive. Okay? Or I can search. The magnifying glass will let me search by file name. So if I go into Slides, you'll see the menus are the same. Okay, I've got my left side, I've got the same menus over here. Now when I open one, I'm going to open this fake presentation. Okay, the menu at the top is different than the website, but these 3 dots are where I have a lot of options. Okay, and when I tap on title, did you see my top row change? Okay, when I'm not in a text box, I don't have a lot of choices. When I go into a text box, I can choose how I want to format my text. I can choose how I want to format my paragraph. I can choose lines and fill colors and that kind of thing. I can also bold, italicize. So you have to be in a text file or a text box to get those editing options. That's slightly different. The blue check mark in the top left tells it that I'm done editing for now, and the arrow will take me back to the main screen. Okay, so I wanted you mainly to know, hang on, let me swipe these up to close them, that there are individual apps that you need to download, not on student iPads. Student iPads come with these automatically, but our staff iPads, you're going to need to download all 4 of those apps if you haven't already. Get signed into them so that you can work with your Google files. Now this is just one more way to access your files. If you're using them on your desktop, if you're using them at home, it's handy, I find most often when I'm in classrooms and I have my iPad with me, I can just pull up a file and see the information. Maybe there's something I want to add to a document. Maybe there's a slide presentation I want to show someone quickly. Having these apps on my iPad gives me access to this information wherever I am. So there's an overview of Google apps that you can download and have on your iPad so you can use them. Have fun.